Welcome, my dear students, for online class. Dear students, in the corona situation, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. In corona situation, you should stay at home. You should not go out unusually. If you want to go out, you have to wear masks. You should abide by the rules of hygiene. You should avoid the infectious area of coronavirus. However, I want to discuss on English second paper. Going to next step. Dear students, I have written three examples on the screen. I watched television yesterday. আমি গতকাল টেলিভিশন দেখেছিলাম। In this sentence, was, this is principal verb. Was B1, was B2, was B3, was. So this verb is B2. You told a funny story. তুমি একটি মজার গল্প বলেছিলে। Here in this sentence, told, tell, told. This verb, told verb is B2. Here told verb is B2. B2 means past form. Also another example, he helped the poor. সে গরিবদের সাহায্য করেছিল। This verb is also B2. If you look over three examples, all verbs are B2. Is verb of the examples is B2. So what will be topic? What is our topic today? You have thought surely our topic will be past indefinite tense. I also thought our topic, our issue will be past indefinite tense because three examples, three verbs of the examples are B2. So this topic will be, our topic will be past indefinite tense. This is our headline. This is our issue, past indefinite tense. Maybe you have thought, according to my theory, past indefinite tense. What is the definition of past indefinite tense? What is the definition of past indefinite tense? The tense that denotes the time of an action of a verb indefinitely in the past is called past indefinite tense. Is called past indefinite tense. The tense that denotes the time of an action of a verb indefinitely in the past is called past indefinite tense. Bangla meaning, the tense that যে tense denotes the time of an action of a verb একটি ভার্বের কাজের সময়কে নির্দেশ করে ইনডেফিনিটলি অনির্দিষ্টভাবে বা সাধারণভাবে ইন দ্য পাস্ট অতীতে অতীতে অনির্দিষ্টভাবে বা সাধারণভাবে একটি ভার্বের কাজের সময়কে নির্দেশ করে তাকে বলা হয় past indefinite tense. The students, to understand clearly, I have also written another definition. The tense যে tense দ্বারা কোনো ভার্বের কাজ অতীতকালে স্মৃতিতে সাধারণভাবে সম্পন্ন হয়েছিল এরূপ বোঝায় তাকে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স বলে। নোটিস কেয়ারফুলি। এক্সাম্পল, I did the work. আমি কাজটি করেছিলাম। Dear students, if you look over the examples, in this sentence, did, this verb is B2, B1 do, did, done. Here B1 do, B2 did, B3 done. So this sentence is past indefinite tense. Notice another example. You went to Dhaka yesterday. তুমি ঢাকা গতকাল ঢাকা গিয়েছিলে। In this sentence, went, this verb is B2. Go, went, gone. Go present B1, went B2, gone B3. So this verb is B2. This sentence is past indefinite tense. Notice another example. He played cricket. সে ক্রিকেট খেলেছিল। He played cricket. সে ক্রিকেট খেলেছিল। When? In the past. And in this sentence, played. Here this verb is B2. So this sentence is past indefinite tense. Notice another example. Mother cooked rice. When? Mother, মা, cooked মানে রান্না করেছিল, রাইস মানে ভাত, মা ভাত রান্না করেছিল। When? In the past. you will get answer in the past. So this sentence is past indefinite tense. And in this sentence, cook, cooked, cooked, cook B1, cooked B2, cooked B3. So this verb is B2 and this sentence is past indefinite tense. Dear students, the verbs of these examples is verb of this example is B2. So these examples are past indefinite tense. Going to next step. Endings. Vibhakti. The students, how to know this tense? How to know past indefinite tense? If you find these endings in Bangla, lam, le, lo, len, if you find these endings lam, le, lo, len in a Bangla sentence, these endings will be added. These endings will be added to the end of the verse. You will think this sentence is past indefinite tense. By if you find these endings lam, le, lo, len in a Bangla sentence, you can translate into Bengali, English. You can translate into English from Bengali by using this structure. As for example, আমি কাজটি করেছিলাম লাম, তুমি কাজটি করেছিলে লে, সে কাজটি করেছিল ল, তারা কাজটি করেছিল লেন। Dear students, if you notice these Bangla examples, you will find lam, le, lo, len, these endings. You will find these endings lam, le, lo, len, which is added to the end of the verse. So, if you find lam, le, lo, len in a Bangla sentence, you can translate into English from Bengali and going to next step, structure, subject, B2 object. This structure is past indefinite tense. This structure is of past indefinite tense. The students, note, সাবজেক্টের পর মূল ভার্বের B2 বলবে, সাবজেক্টের পর মূল ভার্বের B2 বলবে। I want to explain this structure. The students, if you want to translate into English by using the structure, firstly you have to set subject and then you have to set sub B2. B2 means past form, and you have to set object or extension if it is. Notice carefully. Example, আমি তোমাকে একটি মোবাইল ইমেল আমি তোমাকে একটি ইমেল পাঠাইলাম। The students, পাঠাইলাম, lam, this is the endings, this is an ending, and it is used the verb, int of the verb, পাঠাইলাম. So this sentence you can translate into English from Bengali by using the structure subject plus B2 plus object. পাঠাইলাম, this is verb. You can ask this verb by using who. কে পাঠাইলাম, আমি পাঠাইলাম. This is subject. আমি ইংরেজি I. কাকে পাঠাইলাম, you can ask whom by, you can ask this verb by using whom. কাকে পাঠাইলাম, তোমাকে. This is personal object. কি পাঠাইলাম, একটি ইমেল. This is object. This is another object. So in this sentence there are two objects. Firstly you have to set subject I, and then you have to set sent. পাঠাইলাম, পাঠাইলাম English sent. Sent, sent, you have to set sent. An email, I sent you an email. This one's notice this example. I sent you an email. তুমি গতকাল একটি কম্পিউটার কিনেছিলে। তুমি গতকাল একটি কম্পিউটার কিনেছিলে। The students, কিনেছিলে, this is verb. This is verb. This verb is B2, and you notice there is an ending le, and this is added to the end of this kinle. You can ask this verb by using who. কে কিনলে, তুমি কিনলে. This is subject. কি কিনলে, computer. This is object. কখন কিনলে, Gotokal, this is timing word and adverb. The students, you have to set, firstly you have to set subject, you. তুমি, ইংরেজি ইউ, গতকাল yesterday, একটি কম্পিউটার, এ কম্পিউটার, কিনেছিল, bought, buy, bought. According to the structure, you bought a computer yesterday. The students notice, you bought a computer yesterday. Notice another example. সে গত সপ্তাহে ঢাকা গিয়েছিল প্লাস ল। The students, গিয়েছিল, this is verb. কে গিয়েছিল, সে, this is subject. কোথায় গিয়েছিল, ঢাকা। কখন গিয়েছিল, গত সপ্তাহে। The students, in this sentence, he means, she means he. গত সপ্তাহে means last week. ঢাকা means ঢাকা. গিয়েছিল means go, went. গিয়েছিল means went. According to the structure of past indefinite tense, he went to Dhaka last week. He went to Dhaka last week. Going to next step. The students, timing word. Timing words, yesterday, ago, long ago, long ago, once, last এবং বিফোর দ্বারা কোনো সময় থাকলে past indefinite tense হয়। If you find these timing words in a sentence, yesterday, ago, long ago, once, last day, last night, last week, last month, last year, last century, last, before day, before night, before week, before month, before century. You have to think, this sentence is past indefinite tense. The words, the timing words that are used in a sentence will not be thought, another sentence, another tense. It will be past indefinite tense. You have to think this sentence will be past indefinite tense. If you find these timing words in a sentence, notice carefully. Example, he returned home yesterday. Dear students, where is the timing word of this sentence? You find. Surely you have find the students notice yesterday. This is timing word of this sentence. This is a timing word of this sentence. So this sentence will be past indefinite tense. This sentence is past indefinite tense. Notice this is verb. This is a verb of this sentence. This is return. This is verb of this sentence. And this verb is be to. Notice another example. They came here last week. The students, what is the timing words of this sentence? If you notice carefully, you will find last week. This is a timing word. Last week, this is a timing word of this sentence. So, this sentence will be past indefinite tense. This sentence is past indefinite tense. There is no confusion because timing word in this sentence. There is a timing words in this sentence. So these examples are suitable for these rules. Going to next step, individual work. আমি আমার পাঠ শিখেছিলাম। তুমি একটি গান গেয়েছিলে, সে আমাকে সাহায্য করেছিল, তারা মাঠে ক্রিকেট খেলেছিল। Dear students, you will solve. You have to solve this example. You will get 5 minutes, and you have to solve this example. Then I will solve. I will write answer. I will translate into English from Bengali sentence, from Bengali. Dear students, in this sentence, আমি আমার পাঠ শিখেছিলাম। লাম. So this is verb. This is verb. লাম. শিখেছিলাম, লার্ন। কে শিখেছিল? আমি। দিস ইজ সাবজেক্ট। আমি মিন্স আই। আমার পার্ট, মাই লেসন। According to the structure subject plus B2 plus object, I can solve this sentence. I can write, I can translate. Firstly, I can write subject I, and then I can write sent, learn. I can write learn, 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 learned, B2, learned. I can learn. My lesson, আমার part. আমার part means my lesson, my, my, LESSON. Students, this example, okay. Notice another example. তুমি একটি গান গেয়েছিলে, তুমি একটি গান গেয়েছিলে। স্টুডেন্টস, কে গেয়েছিল? তুমি, দিস ইজ সাবজেক্ট। কি গেয়েছিল? একটি গান, দিস ইজ অবজেক্ট। গেয়েছিল, দিস ইজ ভার্ব। সো গাওয়া ইংরেজি হচ্ছে গেয়েছিল মিন্স সিং, past form sang, sang, sing, sang, sang, sing, sang, sang. According to the structure of past indefinite tense, you have to write you, you, sang, you sang, 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 a song, song. Example 3, সে আমাকে সাহায্য করেছিল, করেছিল, সাহায্য করেছিল, দিস ইজ ভার্ব। কে সাহায্য করেছিল? সে, দিস ইজ সাবজেক্ট। কাকে সাহায্য করেছিল? আমাকে, দিস ইজ অবজেক্ট। স্টুডেন্টস, সে ইংরেজি শি, আমাকে ইংরেজি মি, সাহায্য করে ইংরেজি হেল্প। তো হেল্প B1, হেল্পড, হেল্পড, help, helped, helped. He, subject, you have to set first, you have to first of all you have to set subject he, and then you have to set help, 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 ED, helped. You have to endings ED, you have to set at the end of the verb. Helped me. Example 4, তারা মাঠে খেলেছিল, দে, কে খেলেছিল? তারা, তারা ইংরেজি দে, THE, দে। খেলেছিল প্লেট, PLAYED, প্লেট। কি খেলেছিল? ক্রিকেট, CRICKET, ক্রিকেট। কোথায় খেলেছিল? ইন দ্য ফিল্ড, in the FIELD, LD. Dear students, I hope you have stood clearly from my lecture, from my teaching, from my discussion on past indefinite tense. Then, yet, if you do not understand, you feel hard to understand, you can ask me any question. I will try to solve spontaneously. Going to next step, homework. Write and write a paragraph about cricket match by using the structure of past indefinite tense. Dear students, from my discussion, from my lecture, you have learned what you have learned. Have to write a paragraph about cricket match by using this structure. What have you learned from my lecture, from my teaching, from my discussion on the past, on past indefinite tense? Have to learn, you have to learn a paragraph cricket match by using the structure of past indefinite tense. I hope you will write. And if you want to feel to write this paragraph, you can ask me comment box in my channel. I will solve, inshallah. So my dear students, above all, I want to say again, in our corona situation, you have to stay at home. You do not go, you will not go out unusually. You have to abide by the rules of corona hygiene. Corona hygiene. So thank you very much. I will see you next time. I will arrive before a new video. Have a good day. Spend a good day, and God bless you. Allah help you. Allah Hafiz.